In this tutorial, we'll be discussing ribs, rounds, and chamfers. Start by renaming the file. Go to File, Rename. Make sure Rename on Desk and in Session is checked. The first task in this tutorial is to create a chamfer set. Click on the chamfer icon, Sets. Now the chamfer set is placed on the bottom of the part, so you might want to reorient the part. Select the first edge, hold down the control key to add more edges to the same set, and just left mouse click on the rest of the edges. In the event that you select an edge incorrectly, just while holding down the control key, click on it again, and that would remove it. Type in the dimension, 435, preview, and accept. Next, we'll be creating a multiple round sets. Now we will be creating a round set along the top of the part and the vertical edges. Now those are the long vertical edges. So click on Round, Sets, select the first edge, left mouse click, hold down the control key and add more edges. If you have a hard time selecting edges, you could always change the filter to edges. Now that was the first set. Let go of the control key, click on New Set, and select the vertical edges. Now you have two sets, set 1 and set 2. Now each would have a different radius, so you want to modify the radius. The top set is 0.25. Select the second set and modify to 0.5. Preview and accept. The next part of this tutorial is to select transition types for these two corners. Just select the round. Right mouse click, edit definition. That should open the round dialog box. Click on transition mode. Click inside the corner. And for the first one, select intersect. And you can see change in the display. For the second quarter, click inside and select corner sphere. Now corner sphere requires dimensions. For the radius, you need it to be 0.5. L2 is 0.25 and L3 is 0.75. Preview. You can see the change in the appearance of the corner and accept. Next, we'll be creating a full round on this surface here. So click on the round, open sets. Now instead of selecting edges, you need to select surfaces. So select surface, select the first surface, hold down the control key, and select the other surface. Now the driving surface here, click inside the collectors field and select the top surface. Preview and accept. The last part of this session is to create a rib. So click on the rib icon. Now a rib has to always be constructed on a datum plane, and in this case the rib is going to be constructed on the top datum plane here. So click on References, Define, And as the sketch or dialog box opens, for plane, select top and reference right and orientation right and sketch. Very important is to know how to reference for a rib. Now your rib is going to be placed here, and every surface and every edge that touches the rib has to be referenced. So click on sketch, references. As you add on references, you'll be able to view them here. Select this edge, the round edge here. Now you have all the edges referenced. Close. Select the line command, and you need this line to be tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. Now notice that it's tangent to this circle but not to this one, so we'll have to add that constraint. Click on the constraint icon, select tangent, and click on the circle and the line, and it's tangent now. Close, accept sketch, and now there is the rib. Let's change the thickness to 0.8. And the flip button, make sure that this rib is symmetric about the top datum plane. So click, it's on one side of it, the other side of it, and symmetric. Preview and accept. And save your port.